Are you sick of hearing about the same trading tools and strategies over and over again? Ever wondered if there are some unpopular but secretly effective techniques which are used by professional traders? In this video collaboration with XM Global Brokerage, I will delve into some of the lesser known but potentially powerful strategies, tools, and economic data that can give you an edge in your trading adventure. I have divided these tools into 3 parts. The first part will be focusing on trading methodologies, the second part on tools and charts, and the third part on economic data and price data. So let's dive right in. First, regarding lesser known trading methodologies. Trading is as much an art as it is a science. This is where approaches, strategies, and methodologies come into play. They form the cornerstone of any trading plan, guiding the decision-making process based on a set of predefined criteria. The choice of approach often depends on the trader's risk tolerance, time commitment, and trading objectives. For example, statistical arbitrage uses complex mathematical models to identify and exploit pricing inefficiencies, while the Wyckoff method leverages the power of informed institutional buying and selling to anticipate price movements. Let's look at some of these in greater detail. First, we have order flow analysis. This involves analyzing the flow of buy and sell orders coming into the market to predict future price movements. It's a more advanced method that requires a deep understanding of market dynamics, but it can provide valuable insights. Next, we have statistical arbitrage. This involves using quantitative models to identify assets that are statistically mispriced relative to their true value. The strategy is often commonly used by hedge funds and professional traders, but is lesser known among retail traders. Lastly, we have the Wyckoff method. Richard Wyckoff's approach to technical analysis involves tracking the buying and selling of institutional investors to predict future price movements. It's a more complex method that can require a significant amount of study and practice to master. Next, moving on into lesser known trading tools and charts. The right tools and indicators can provide traders with valuable insights into market dynamics, empowering them to make informed decisions. These tools translate raw market data into actionable information, offering different perspectives on price and volume activity. Charting tools like point and figure charts, volume profile, and footprint charts can help traders visualize market data and identify patterns and trends. Indicators such as Fibonacci extensions also offer unique ways of assessing market strength and predicting future price levels. Let's look at some of these in greater detail. Firstly, point and figure charts. Point and figure charts are often overlooked, but they provide a different perspective by plotting only significant price moves. This can help traders focus on what really matters and ignore minor price fluctuations. Next, we have volume profile. Unlike the volume histogram at the bottom of many charts, the volume profile plots volume as a function of price over a specified time period. This can help traders identify key levels of support and resistance based on volume. Next, we have footprint charts. A footprint chart provides detailed market information regarding order flow, volume, and trade activity. It presents this market information in a way that helps traders understand market dynamics and structure. Lastly, we have Fibonacci extensions. Now, we might be familiar with Fibonacci retracements because traders often use Fibonacci retracements to identify potential levels of support or resistance during a correction, but Fibonacci extensions are another tool that can be useful for determining where a price may go after a swing high or a swing low. Next, moving on to lesser known trading economic and price data. Economic data forms an integral part of the market ecosystem. They provide a snapshot of the overall health of the economy and, in turn, the likely trajectory of the financial markets. Traders who can interpret these data points can potentially predict broader market movements, allowing them to position their trades accordingly. Examples of economic data that traders often pay attention to include the Commitments of Trader or COT reports, which offer insights into the positions held by significant market players, and market breadth indicators like the Advanced Decline Line and TICK that provides an overview of market sentiment and strength. Let's look at some of these in greater detail. Firstly, the Commitment of Trader or COT reports. COT reports provides a breakdown of each Tuesday's open interest for futures and options on the futures market, where 20 or more traders hold positions equal to or above the reporting levels established by the CFTC. It's a great tool for understanding the sentiment of major traders. And lastly, we have market breadth indicators. Tools such as the Advanced Decline Line, a TICK, TRIN, and VIX can help traders gauge market sentiment and strength. These tools measure the number of stocks advancing versus those declining, and some take volume into consideration as well. For example, when the market is reaching new highs, but fewer stocks are participating in the rally, it may be a bearish sign. In this next segment, I will share some of XM's trading tools that can give traders an edge in the market. First, we have their exclusive technical indicators. These algo technical analysis tools, designed for precision and compatibility with both MT4 and MT5, equip you with the insights you need to make informed investment decisions. These allow you to leverage the power of automated indicators to stay one step ahead in the markets. Next, we have the XM Trade Ideas. Next, you can broaden your trading horizon with XM's Trade Ideas by getting unrestricted access to a wealth of trading signals and analysis encompassing a wide range of market products. So whether you are a novice or a seasoned trader, these trade ideas will allow you to get new, fresh, profitable trading strategies. Lastly, you can dive into the world of premium content insights with XM Discover, with features such as the Market Pulse, Feature Ideas, Market Insights, Fundamental Insights, and their unique strategy builder. Each of these resources provides a unique perspective on market trends, helping you to build robust and profitable trading strategies. If you're looking for a professional trading platform, XM Global is a leading brokerage company that is dedicated to providing traders with a seamless and efficient trading experience, providing access to more than 50 currency pairs. As a trusted platform for many years, XM is committed to helping traders improve their skills and succeed in the trading world. To give their clients a head start, XM is now offering a $50 trading bonus for first-time account holders. This will allow new traders to test out their high-quality execution services without any investment risk. All profits earned during this period are entirely yours to withdraw. This promotion is exclusively for new clients and is available for 30 days from the date of account opening. So now you can get started with XM and explore the world of trading with an extra edge. And for more market updates, you can also join their Telegram channel. Here are my concluding thoughts. In summary, trading isn't just about the popular tools and strategies. The overlooked ones often hold their own, offering unique perspectives and insights. They can be like that hidden door in a video game, leading to unforeseen treasures. Now that I have shared all about the lesser-known tools and strategies, would you consider incorporating them into your trading toolbox? Also, for those who are already actively trading, what are some unpopular tools that you are using and how effective are they so far? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have enjoyed this video, do remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to receive the latest updates. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.